Hi, hello everybody. I'm quite excited about this. I'm doing a collaboration with Yvonne. We've sort of been in contact and playing around with a few things. Some of this is book pages that they're in the public domain, and we've been talking about it for a while. So I went ahead and done all the pages. I will have the full kit, and Yvonne will have the add-on. Not the add-on, sorry. She will have the TN version, which will be all the pages together, the same as mine, but these pages will be TN size, because as you know, Yvonne loves her TNs. So she'll be selling that one on her website if you want the TN, and I'm selling this one on Etsy. I've been wanting to do something with Yvonne for a very long time, because I am very thankful to her for introducing me to junk journaling, and she was the main person I used to watch years ago. You know, don't get me wrong, I watch a lot of others and all that now, but she was the main person that got me into it, so I'm very thankful for that. So I thought we'd do something together, which will be fun. So I'll be making a few things. I am in the middle of another journal actually, but I will, do a few videos on maybe some little projects. I might do a folio with this one or something, because the pages are lovely. I called it is it Misty Spring? Yeah, or Spring Mist. That's it. Spring Mist. Because when I look at it, I see those misty mornings, sort of that you get in spring. So you get them in autumn as well. But that sort of mist just creeping in. So yeah, it's bright but subtle, if you know what I mean. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it and you like it. So that's one of the pages. Oh, there's 30 pages in the kit. There'll be 29 in the TN version, simply because I shrunk down the envelopes, because the large envelopes won't fit the TN. So that's the only thing. But you get the TN pages like these, and then all the backgrounds you're getting full size. Okay, because it doesn't, if you want to do your fold over pockets, whatever like that you do in your TNs, you've got a full page for that. And it doesn't matter with things like this. It only matters with images like this, where this one's not so bad actually, because if you cut that off, that would been okay. But some just don't work, so I've altered them all. Right, so that's that one. Anyway, I'll send a link to Yvonne's video, and she'll show hers as well. All right. So that's one of the background pages. So these sort of, go together. Oh, that's the one I created myself with bubble wrap and everything. And then I scanned it in and worked on it a bit to get it how I wanted it. And I've used it on the background of these, and it's worked brilliantly. So I was pleased with that. And on the sort of yellow, there's more pinks as well. There's some nice lot of line pages in this one, and some yellows. I have to remember the name of the book. I'll put the name of the book down below. That's another yellow there, and then some of these for backgrounds. Okay, and again, that's one of my pages behind that one. And that one there. I use this actual leaf design quite a lot in my work, because I quite like it. And then we've got this one here. Here's some sort of nice writing. And that's from one of those books as well. And this is just sort of, it's William Morris, that's it, William Morris, but manipulated a bit. So these are, see that if you look here, that's corresponding with that. And these are that goes with that one as well. Quite a bit of pink in this one, sort of pink and yellow and green. Nice large lined one that would go on the back. And some yellow ones and pink coming up here with a bit of blue. You can see that. Oh, and what was I out of frame? I bet I was. There we go. There's that one there. You've got to remember to keep them flat when we video with up ahead. And that's a very muted background there, another one. They come in handy, don't they? And this one is, yeah, sort of like that. I love this page, actually. It even looks nice on the TN as well. And that's like a background done with a part of the flower. Overlaid it with some of the other background there. And then that's just another page that might come in handy, you know, for backgrounds and things, or pockets. And there's the lined version of that one. Okay, so that's that. But this all would be together. I just separated it from, you know, like the, oh, I just bent that over, tags and stuff. Let's have a look, see if we can get that in. I might have to zoom out a little bit. Put it in. There we go. Okay, done some like stamps and then some smaller one, a copy of those down here. Okay, some quite large butterflies, but I thought with this will still, you'll still be able to shrink this page down again. So you get your smaller butterflies, and then you'll get, you know, these half size where they're all work, because they come in handy for your mini snippets and things. And then let's turn that around. There's like that tall envelope, and that flower worked really well on that one. Yeah, I just put these in because I thought I had enough circles, so I just cut the clocks in there, the flower on, and your page tabs. That's 3 pockets, and these fit down lengthways down the page. And tickets down here. They turned out really lovely, actually. Quite pleased with those. And then your journaling cards. Let's make sure I'm in frame. Yep. Okay, got some lined ones here. So if you do print them out on paper, just fold them up and then stick them together. Is that one there? And that one there. Another one there. Now I've got a few lines on that one. I thought that looked quite nice. And there'll be lines on the back of that one. Well, you don't have to fold them over. You can cut them out separately. Then the tags. I've got 4 pages of tags. I went a bit mad on the tags, I'm afraid. And don't forget, these come large. If you do 2 to a page, you can, or downsize it, however you print it, like 50%, you can get them smaller. But I do 2 to a page, and then I can get smaller ones as well. There's those. It's like sort of like the yellow and some pink. And that one there. I love this. I think that's my favourite, actually. That one and this one. Really love. Then that's the coin envelope. There, and then you fold that in half, and you've got your pocket that fits into there. A pocket, journaling card. And then you've got 2 large pockets. Yeah, these are slightly narrower than the ones I'd done previously, because then I didn't have to make it different for the TN. So these will fit the TN as well. But then you have these in the TN. So, and then I just filled in these areas here because I don't like to leave blank. Try and utilise my paper if I can. And 2 large envelopes. That one and that one. Okay. There you go. So watch this space for some little things that I'm going to do with it. Okay, well, thank you very much, everybody. Don't forget, all the links will be in the description box, so where you can get the kit and everything, and the TN. Okay, thank you very much then. Bye.